to the channel. In today's video we are making a malt loaf. Now this is one of the things that my husband really enjoys, so I wanted to have a go at making one, and of course we're going to use the Ninja because we wouldn't use anything else now, would we? So let's go and see what we need and how we're going to make it. My husband and my son have been away skiing this week, so I thought I'd make a few things for when they return, and this malt loaf is the first thing. So in my bowl, I'm going to put Bran Flakes, and I will need 100 grams. I think you can use all bran for this as well. So here we go, 100 grams. Now I've had this mug of tea, just black tea here. Get rid of the tea bag. And I've had that sitting there for about 15 minutes or so. So that is really deep in colour. And we are literally just going to soak the bran flakes with it. Pour the tea over. And that's going to soak into those bran flakes. And we can just leave those for a little while. Just set that aside whilst we're doing everything else. I'm going to take another bowl here. Let's just reset the scales. And I want to measure out my self-raising flour, 200 grams. We need light brown sugar, and I want another 200 grams. Next ingredient is mixed fruit. And guess what? We want 200 grams. Now we want some treacle. Look at the state of my tin. That is really disgusting. I'm sorry about that, but never mind. It does the job. It's clean inside. So a generous tablespoon of this treacle. There you go. We need baking powder. How much baking powder? Teaspoon. Put that in. Measure that out. Teaspoon. And the last thing is 1 egg. Now I'm just going to start gradually mixing this together. Now we want to combine these together. So what I think I'm going to do is just put some of the ingredients into here. Just because it's going to overflow in the bowl if not. And then I'm just going to start mixing this one first. And you can see the moisture coming out of here. We haven't added any butter. And we're going to get a really thick cake batter. So now I can put the rest in safely. It smells lovely. Really nice. It's looking like malt loaf, isn't it? I've just lined my tin, although this is really good non-stick anyway. But let's get that in the Ninja and let's get it baking. So let's lower that in onto the rack like that. Great. We're going to set this to bake. I'm going to go with 170. I think this is going to take some time. I'm going to keep an eye on it. This is the first time I have made this. So I'm thinking 40 minutes, might even be a bit longer. It's very thick, wet batter. So yeah, let's try 40 and then we'll keep an eye on it. The malt loaf had 50 minutes in the end because it was still very liquidy inside. But look at that. Can you see how just spongy but oozy? It's really moist, which is what you want from a malt loaf. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And there is the whole piece there. Really pleased I made this. It's worked out really well.